Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change the Enter key direction after typing in Excel and move your cell cursor up, down, left, or right. This instantly redirects your cursor movement grid to match your exact data entry workflow, saving you from constantly hitting your arrow keys when typing long horizontal data columns. First, open Microsoft Excel, look at the top left corner of the interface menu row, and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Advanced tab located near the middle of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout, which is explicitly headed Editing Options. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled after pressing Enter, Move Selection. Ensure this tracking box is checked, then click on the Direction drop-down choice menu sitting right next to it. Select your preferred grid tracking rule from the choice list, whether you want the cursor to drop down, jump right, shift left, or move up. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new layout preferences into the system core. And that's it! Your custom data navigation entry grid workflow configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.